Okay, to help you with your bench design, it's going to show you how to create a pattern on a path. So create new component. You can name it if you like. I'm just going to put seat pieces, and it should appear in the design tree here. So I'm going to start with a sketch, create sketch on the bottom face. So I'm going to start with a center rectangle, and I'll click here. In fact, no, I'll go for a sketch, a rectangle, 2-point. So I'll sketch a piece nice and simple and then stop the sketch. I now need to extrude that to thickness, extrude, and just give it a little bit of thickness. I just typed in 2. Now then, what I'd like to do is I'd like to extrude this on a sort of wavy shape. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to sketch, create sketch, again on this bottom plane. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Let's escape. And then I'm going to create a spline. And the spline, where's that gone? There it is. Fit point spline. Take it from the center and then curve, and then I'll just say OK. Stop your sketch. So I've got this line which I'd like to follow, and to do that I want to repeat this pattern along the path. So I'm going to create a pattern on a path, and first of all it asks me for the pattern type. If I just click on the extrusion here, it selects everything, and then the path I click on here, and then what I can do is I can drag, and you can start to see the amount of individual pieces, and I'll just click. Alright, so I can start to increase, and then I can then drag that all the way to the bottom. Now notice how it's doing it parallel, which is identical. So these are all parallel all the way to each other. I can do it to the path direction, so it changes slightly. So remember that one. And then you can then just start to increase the amount of you might have on for your seating arrangement, and then just press OK. So there you go. So that's creating pattern along a path. Nice and simple.